If you're a content creator, you already know how much time it takes to research ideas, write scripts, build tools or websites, and manage everything. But what if I told you that Google has some powerful free AI tools that can help you do all of this faster? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 free Google AI tools that can help content creators work smarter, create content faster, build simple AI tools or websites, and even automate parts of their workflow. The best part? These tools are completely free, and most people don't even know they exist. So, if you want to save time, improve your content, and grow faster using AI, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's start with tool number 1, Google AI Studio. You can access it by going to aistudio.google.com. This is where Google usually releases and tests its experimental AI models, mainly for developers, but content creators can use it as well. Once you open the website, look at the left sidebar and click on the Build option. This will open a new window called Build Your Idea with Gemini. Here, you simply need to describe the idea of what you want to build. For example, let's say you want to build a simple AI website for content creators. You could describe something like this: a tool where a creator enters a topic or video idea, and the AI automatically generates an SEO-optimized title, description, tags, and hashtags for that topic. To do this, open Gemini and paste the website builder prompt that you'll find in the description of this video. When writing your idea, you can also include details like the website type, concept, target audience, the problem it solves, core features, revenue model, budget, technical skill level, target region, design style, and your long-term goal. Once you add these details, click Send. Within a few seconds, Gemini will generate a clear and structured prompt that can be used to build your website. Now simply copy that prompt, go back to AI Studio, paste it there, and click on Build. After that, a new page will open where you'll see 2 sections. On one side, your prompt will start running, and on the other side, you'll see a live preview of the website being generated. The first time, it may take around 2 to 3 minutes, so just wait for it to finish. And just like that, without writing a single line of code, your website will be ready. You can click Get Started for free and test the tool yourself. For example, if you enter a topic and click Generate, the AI can instantly create things like titles, tags, descriptions, and hashtags. If you want to add new features or change something, you can simply type your instructions on the side, and the tool will update the website for you. You can also add features like pricing or subscription plans, which means users may need to pay to access the tool. You can even use the preview icons to see how the website looks on mobile or tablet devices. And the best part is that all of this is completely free inside Google AI Studio. With this tool, you can build surprisingly powerful AI tools or websites, even if you have no coding skills. This was just a simple example to show you what's possible. Now let's move to tool number 2, Google Gemini. You can access it by going to gemini.google.com. Most people use Gemini in a very basic way. They simply type a question, get an average answer, and stop there. But today, I'll show you how to use Gemini at a more advanced level. Gemini has many powerful features, but in this example, we're going to use it for content research. In the description of this video, you'll find a PDF that contains several prompts. These prompts are designed to help content creators with things like content research, script writing, and SEO in a much simpler way. First, copy the number 1 prompt from the PDF, which is the prompt for generating video topic ideas. After copying the prompt, open Gemini and paste it there. Inside the prompt, you'll see a section that says Your Channel Niche. Here, you just need to describe your channel's niche. You can keep it simple or write it with a bit more detail. You can also select the language you want the results in. Then, click Send. Within a few seconds, Gemini will generate multiple video ideas related to your channel niche that you can use for your next videos. In the same way, if you need a script for a specific video, simply go back to the PDF and copy the script writing prompt. Paste that prompt into Gemini, and where it says Paste your video topic, just enter your topic and click Send. Within seconds, Gemini will generate a high engagement script that you can use directly for your video. Inside the PDF, you'll find many more prompts like this that can help speed up your workflow and make it easier to run a YouTube automation channel. Now let's move to tool number 3, Google AI Voice Generation, using Google Turn Text into Speech. You can access this feature inside Google AI Studio. With this tool, you can generate unlimited AI voiceovers for free. However, many people end up generating robotic-sounding voices because they don't set it up correctly. So, let me show you the right way to do it. First, open Google AI Studio and go to the Voice Generation or Text-to-Speech section. If you're creating a YouTube video, select the single speaker option. Next, adjust the temperature setting. A good range is between 0.7 and 0.8. but you can also adjust it depending on the style of content you're creating. After that, choose a voice model. You'll see multiple voice options available. You can listen to a few samples and select the one that sounds the most natural to you. Once you've chosen the voice, simply paste your video script into the text box and click Run. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate your voiceover. The result usually sounds very natural and can be used directly in your videos. This is a great tool for creators who want to produce videos faster or run faceless YouTube channels without recording their own voice. So those were the top 3 free Google AI tools that content creators can start using today. If you use these tools the right way, you can save a lot of time, create better content, and even automate parts of your workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, automation strategies, and creator growth tips. And if you want the prompt PDF I mentioned in this video, you can find it in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.